Very delicious baked salmon is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like it. This is simple and easy to cook. Doesn't take much spices but really very delicious. Hello viewers, welcome to Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to bake salmon. This is a very delicious fish and especially kids love it, and also it's very healthy as well, and it doesn't take much time to cook it. So I'm going to bake it in the oven today with lemon juice and with other seasonings. Alright, to bake salmon, I have taken 1.5 pounds salmon here. You see that this is skinless, clean and dried. So make sure that there is no water. And now I'm going to add spices. So salt, half a teaspoon. And then half a teaspoon black pepper. Just a pinch of turmeric. It's optional. I love a little bit spicy, so that's why I add it. Chili powder, quarter teaspoon, and then mix it together. So I have seasoned with spices, the same spices into the other side also. Then I'm going to add like half of a lemon and then spread it all over evenly. And around like 2 teaspoons of olive oil. That's all the seasoned spices that I needed. So I'm gonna leave it for like 10 minutes, and then in the meantime the oven I have preheated for 200 degrees Celsius, and then I'll put it in the oven. Alright, so it's already 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some fresh garlic and some orange and lemon zest. These fresh garlic, orange and lemon zest I'm going to spread all over. I love garlic flavor, so that's why I'm going to add this. Okay, so it's now time to put it in the oven. Alright, so it's being in the oven around 25 minutes now. This side cooked really well. You can see the color is now golden brown, and I'm going to flip the other side and cook it around again another 15 minutes. Alright, so as you can see that freshly baked salmon just come out from the oven, and it's really cooked well both sides. I checked it, and now I'm going to serve it on a plate. Alright, freshly baked salmon come out from the oven, and I'm going to put half of a lemon juice and spread it evenly on the fish. Very delicious baked salmon is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like it. This is simple and easy to cook. Doesn't take much spices but really very delicious. How do you like this fish, guys?
It is very spectacular. This dish is loved by many Canadians all around the globe.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share our videos. How do you like it, Afshin?
Good. It's so good.
Thank you so much. I hope you will like it, and then please try this way that we cook, and then let us know how did it go. Please share our videos. Thank you.